Hands-on learning has been really important for me because it has been a lot more effective in my learning. Rather than just sitting in lecture and just being talked to and just expecting to remember everything for tests and exams, be able to go learn more of the intricate details of programs and of functions and stuff on my own. I'm Alissa Manuel. I'm majoring in cybersecurity at Eastern. I've been here at Eastern for the past 3 years because I'm currently finishing up my junior year. As I've gotten into the more advanced classes, they've gotten a lot more focused on applying that learning.
I chose cybersecurity because I heard about the program here, and my cyber classes starting off really got me into it. From there, it just kept building, going to competitions, getting involved in school got me really interested. My name is Zander. I'm a cybersecurity major. The hands-on learning has been really supported outside the classroom a lot through competitions. It's a very different environment when you're in a competition. When you're learning, you're struggling, but you can kind of like wait to figure it out. In competitions, it's very like on the fly, you're learning as you go. Our cyber program has grown a lot recently, and that's made those opportunities like going to NCAA cyber games down in Florida, setting up our own competitions, having our own infrastructure to practice and do stuff outside of the classroom has been really helpful.
I recommend EWU's Cybersecurity program because it is a lot more hands-on learning than other universities.
I think really that hands-on aspect has got to be one of the things that sets us apart. Beyond that, we have a lot of opportunities other schools don't always get to have.
Applied learning has been incredibly important for me because I'm able to take those skills while I'm learning and apply them either in the workforce or if I'm going further and doing research.